Filtred 10x20x1, AC Furnace Air Filter, MPR 1900, Healthy Living Ultimate Allergen, 6-pack. Outperforms fiberglass, washable and non-electrostatic 3-month pleated 1-in. Home air filters for your furnace, air conditioner or HVAC system. Designed with exclusive Filtret brand 3-in-1 technology from 3M to trap unwanted air particles while letting cleaner air flow through. Attracts and captures microscopic particles such as smoke, cough and sneeze debris, bacteria and viruses, and large particles, including lint, household dust and pollen. 1900 MPR has a rating of MERV 13. The higher the MPR, the more microparticles, such as pollen, pet dander, smoke, bacteria and viruses, your filter will capture from the air passing through it. %62% small particle capture, like bacteria and particles that carry viruses. Percent captured is based on ASHRAE 52.2 testing for 0.3 to 1 micron particles from the air passing through the filter, which relates to HVAC industry standard efficiency testing. Certified as asthma and allergy friendly. Get a great offer on this product with the link in the description.